After creating any YouTube channel, if you make any videos, so I'm setting for text to video or image to video also will be important. So that is called, I can use option call is image to video.com. I can make the videos will be multiple options, your wish. PPT presentation and photos to video and get text to video also. So right now I'm creating for text to video.com. Text to video. I can select the text by your notepad. I can make the video for YouTube channels. I can create by images to your channel also. So first of all, I'm creating for text to video. Which one is the most important by the text to video? Okay, most of the important we can promote by health tips. Promote by health tips. So I'm selecting content by notepad. Wait for the seconds. And prepare the content successfully. So final option is called select by the like, share, subscribe, channel, control A. Any text to video making, we can use the music important and the thumbnail is important. Your watermark logo is important. Select it, convert text to video. In this, you can add the proper content. Before that, you can select your size of your font. Select by Arial. Select by font will be 35. Align will be center or bottom. Always select by center here. Select it. Add your logo option. There is a background image. So add your properly. Okay. Now click for next. So add your audio file. Any audio file we can download by YouTube options. Select it. Audio file. Here. Add your logo. Logo is important. This is called your watermark particular video. But it's called nobody copied your particular video. Now click for option. Now started your processing by the when finished by 100%, the video will be finished by successfully. After you can download with your proper title. Download will be common title. You can upload the proper title and use the particular video by your YouTube channel. Any video will be created by text to video format. We can use by music. If anything, we can explain by image to we can explain by backend. That is called we can add by the any kind of speech by grading by any kind of tools. We can video making for online purpose. We can use it by image to video.com. Image to video.com. Or else we can use one more software is called Easy Video Maker and EZVid. We can download the softwares. These are offline softwares. One is called EZVid. Second will be Easy Video Maker. Select it. Easy Video Maker, the free app access will give only for 5 minutes. Only for 5 minutes. Just time give the 5 minutes option. This video we can given by MP4 format. See this. You can upload the images and videos. Multiple videos we can give the one common video. Multiple images we can give the particular option. So everything is set by here. Videos, audio, image and everything. So I'm setting here images. Anything. Suppose you can select open like this. Select your project. Somewhere you can add your photos. In between the add your videos. Done. Image first you can add it. Check your video option here. Change it. Increase the size. Done. Now select your enter file. Before that, add your music important. Music, how to add it? Select your particular music option. Select by here and just drag it. Automatic music file will be added here. Place this audio file. After that, you can see this one. Exactly will matching for here. Match it. Now click. Add your file, your option. Select your folder. Properly select your folder option. Hyderabad. Now click for easy video maker. We can support up to 5 minutes. Easy will support up to 45 minutes. This is the video making. Photo to video making and video to video making. You can add the photos and videos. This will be here. But in online tools, image to video making, this support by the image to video making or text to video making. Only two options. Image to video making and text to video making. So done. We'll check the video by here. Done or not. Done successfully. You can play this video. Will be here. Text will be always clear. People can read the purpose. Say here. After we click for download. You can create n number of videos. Minimum required for 1 minute. Less than 1 minute is not approved by earnings. Any YouTube channel earnings will be any minute will be upload the videos more than 1 minute videos. Here it will be 1 minute 40 seconds. It will eligible for the particular YouTube channel. Any people asking question is called how to make animated videos. We can create by image to video.com. Total animated and slideshow videos and sequence videos and text to videos. Now any video will missing from music and text and logo. We can use him by image to video.com. And people is confused how to download free music on YouTube without copyright music. Simple. Go to your YouTube channel. Option call is video manager. Always keep it on video manager in your mind. That is called YouTube backend. Options, everything changing by the video manager. You can download the free music and download the any option will be called video manager. Select by created Studio Classic. Go to create. Select your audio library. Select your song will be playing and download it. What is song required? Just listen and click for download it. What is the song? You can give the simple music is important by the particular video. If using for rock and music, don't use by the simple videos. Clear? Any kind of dance, you can change the music. When using option by the YouTube music will be no copyright. If any other music will be using three kind of versions, will be adding for the particular user name. I'm using free music by so and so author name. There is a publisher name is a mandatory by your YouTube description. YouTube description. I'm using so and so music. Thanks for so and so name. But if using any YouTube free music, no need to worry about the YouTube strikes, particular videos. So this is called you can make the videos on your particular YouTube channel videos. To make the any image to video, I'm setting for slideshow. Image to video.com. What are the images you are making the videos? All into one. Keep it in one folder is important. Anything we can set it by all image only one time. One by one is not accepted by image to video.com. Easy video maker, we can add the one by one, no issues. But image to video.com, all images keep it in one folder, add the edit in one time. So here, accept the images. Welcome screen, end screen, both are mandatory. Welcome screen and end screen. Select it on folders. I'll keep it on select here. Video images. Select here and upload it. I'll keep it on one folder. Select your option is called welcome notice everything. Subscriber option. Welcome message. Now click for video. Every video important, the music is important. Add the music. After add your logo. Logo important by the watermarking purpose. Select it, logo. Logo is a mandatory. Just also mandatory field. So write down the website name. Copy. Click for create a video. This is called slideshow video. We create the slideshow sequence video. Every option will be created by the particular YouTube channel videos. Image to video.com, we can create the videos simply and clear. Most of the people using for text to video making using by music. If you any upload by health tips, text to video making is important. Text to video making. So for any recipes you have, you can make the text to video step by steps. How to prepare egg biryani, how to make the here. You can give the text format. Here the test one also. Video format. You can download any videos by option. You can use it by your YouTube. Prepare the videos or prepare the images, upload by your YouTube. This all will be given by the particular YouTube videos. These are totally one online software, two will be offline. Easy to do it. Easy video maker is offline. Online will be image to video.com. Image to video making, text to video making. So this is called. When you finish 100%, you can download this video. When you finish 100%, you can download this video. This is called making the videos for particular YouTube channel, image to video making, text to video making, image and video to text video making, and video to video making. These are totally 4 options. Video is done. Now check this. Video making with the slide. Total images. Auto you can download for download. Is it clear? This is called we can make the videos on particular YouTube channel with the slideshow and the sequence video text to video making. So finally we'll give the our website address will be below in the option. This is called make the videos on particular YouTube channels. Every video minimum required for 1 minute or required. Less than 1 minute is the best of your YouTube earnings.